Are you absolutely sick of the daily cold calling grind? Well, I think you'd probably have to be because it's absolutely terrible. So in this video, I'm gonna give you one style of video you can shoot to start attracting clients and get out of the daily outbound prospecting grind. And this video is so simple, you don't need an outgoing, boisterous, flamboyant personality.
I'm unable to control the pitch or volume of my voice.
You don't need expensive equipment or a full-time videographer. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how anybody can be successful shooting these videos. And I've had several, probably tens of agents at this point that I've personally taught this method of shooting videos that now do 1 to 3 deals a month and don't do any cold calling whatsoever anymore. I'm that agent Kelly. I closed 57 deals my first year in the industry, pretty much 100% off of social media. Obviously, there was some sphere and some referrals in there, but I want to say maybe 85% of those deals came through social media with no outbound prospecting. And now I'm teaching other agents how to get out of the outbound prospecting hamster wheel. Imagine you could spend 1 hour a day shooting a video and then having the rest of your day to service the business or do whatever you want. That's what me and plenty of other realtors have managed to accomplish shooting this one specific style of video. In a past life, a couple years ago, I was a plumber. I would work 10 hours a day and then I would drive, roughly 3 hours unpaid every single day. And I was listening to a podcast one night, can't remember who it was, but this person basically said, why are you doing so much shit that you hate doing, right? Like we get one life. The whole reason why we make money is so we can enjoy our lives. Here I am, in this moment, I realized that I literally hated pretty much every single minute of my life, right? Like I work 10 hours, I drive 3, I come home, I make dinner, I eat it, and then it's time for bed to wake up and repeat the whole process over again. And that was the initial reason that I got into real estate in the first place, because I hated my life and I needed a change and I loved real estate. I had owned a couple investment properties, so I figured, hey, let's go be a realtor. I wanted to get more into the investing side of things. I wanted to get more into real estate. And when I got into real estate, I was making 50 to 75 cold calls a day. I was door knocking. I tried paid ads. I tried flyers. I did all this shit. And then I realized, wait a minute, I freaking hate my life again. I hate all of this stuff. And I realized that I was in the exact same situation that I was in before, just wearing a different uniform now. Because at the end of the day, what is the point of making all this money if you're just gonna hate your life by the end of it anyways? So I started posting on social media more often. I went from posting once a day to 3 to 5 times a day. I eventually started a podcast and then another YouTube channel. And now after posting nearly 7,000 videos over the course of 3 years, I can confidently say that I found one type of video that pretty much any realtor can use to be successful with. And my favorite part about these videos is literally anybody can shoot them, whether you're monotone, if you think you're an uninteresting person, you don't need to understand the macroeconomic outlook of the real estate market. You don't need to have knowledge in any of these fields or be a certain personality type. If you just shoot these videos, be consistent, and focus on getting better with every video you shoot, you will be able to exit the hamster wheel of outbound prospecting within 90 days. It's a really sick idea, dude. You should shoot that right now. And to be honest, everybody else I've seen do this has done it within 60 days. I'm just saying 90 to be safe. And this video is called the property tour video.
Those projects people talk about 20 years from now, right here.
Yes, that's right, the property tour video. You've probably seen them all over the place. And the way that I look at this is it's basically a free Facebook ad. That's basically what it is at its root core. It's you posting a Facebook ad once a day that you don't have to pay for. Every single day for free. And you also get the benefit of not only is it a Facebook ad that's generating leads, but it's also building your personal brand. Does not matter who you are. If you shoot these videos, focus on getting better and do it consistently, you will have people reaching out to you about these properties. I have yet to have a single agent who has done this and done it consistently every day who has not closed their first deal within 60 days of doing this. Now, the main issue that I hear when it comes to shooting these videos is agents don't know what properties to actually shoot. And I'd say shoot literally any property. Bad, dilapidated, too small, too expensive, too cheap. They all work and there's got to be a buyer for pretty much every single one of them. But if you're talking about gaining specifically access to these properties, like how are you actually going to get into them? Well, I would recommend you start with new construction show units. Pretty much every market has them, show homes, whether it's detached condos or townhomes. In my local market, there's like 80 of them available at all times. You can just call up the sales team. Hey, when are you guys open? All right, and come by Tuesday at noon. And developers want you to come shoot their product. Like they want free marketing. It's mutually beneficial. deal. They get their product marketed out to the masses, you get to market their product and hopefully receive leads from it. And these units are amazing because developers have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to build them. They're usually staged. They're presented in a way that they are fit for prime marketing purposes. And a lot of people think, well, I don't want to market that project because I don't think I can sell those, or I don't want to sell a unit in there. Good. Why don't you get a lead from shooting that video and put the lead in the project that you actually want to sell? And once you actually start getting views and you have a portfolio of videos that have been performing well, that's when you can take it to other agents in your market that hold the nice listings, the luxury listings, the big, beautiful homes, and say, hey, I get tens of thousands of views. I've sold a lot of homes doing this. Why don't you let me shoot a free video for you in your listing and get it some more exposure? But for most agents, I would say start in the new construction show units because your first 10 videos are probably gonna suck, and it's better to practice with the developer's product rather than some other listing agent's product that has a seller that is emotionally tied to that home. Now, if you wanna know exactly how to shoot these videos, how to edit them, the perspective and mindset that's required to consistently shoot these videos, I've got a course for that called The Viral Agent. You can use the link in the description right below to gain access to that. And if you don't get the value that you're looking for, I will refund you your money within 30 days. Now, if you want to see my personal social media marketing plan, I've made a video on that right here. So make sure you click on that and watch that video. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm that Agent Kelly. I'm making moves to move you. Peace.